Hey everyone, this is Rajendran from Market Calls, and in this short video tutorial, we are gonna understand how to send automated orders from TradingView strategies, and especially how to send automated orders to AlgoMojo platform. That is what we're gonna look into this session. So here I'm having a simple buy and sell super trend trading strategy. It is a simple ATR based trailing stop loss with buy and sell signals. And here, whenever the buy is going to happen, I'm going to send orders to Reliance. So here I'm having a Reliance chart here, of course. So what I'm going to create here is that on top of this strategy, I'm going to create an alerts. So I'm going to go to the alert section. So from the alert section, I'm going to select, I'll go to this condition, I'll select super trend algo. And under this, in the last video, we had learned what is a webhook URL. And this time I'm going to go to this Algo Mojo platform. I'm going to punch in one of the broker Alice Blue. So let me go to the place order function. So I'll copy the place order functions of the Algo Mojo link related to the Alice Blue broker. So I'll copy this and then I'll go to this webhook URL. I already placed it. Anyways, I'll replace this link over here. And now under this message, I'm going to remove this message. And also I'm going to give an alert name saying like Alice Blue orders. So it's just a name. You can give any name, but for your understanding, you can give what kind of alert it is. And under the message, this is the most important component over here. So we have to go to the AlgoMojo API section, and from here go to the place order. Under this place order, copy this request example. Now this is where we're going to do the formatting over here. So copy it and then I'll bring it to a notepad. So replace this with your API key and API secret key. So go to the AlgoMojo platform, go to the My API section, copy the API key and copy the API secret key. Anyways, this API key and API secret key you should not share with anybody. In my case, it is a test account. So after you're done with this, now come back to the order log mode. This is where the orders will be coming in real time. And now go to the formatting data. So here give the name as super trend strategy and enter the symbol name as Reliance and the exchange is NSE, and on top of that enter the quantity here. So let's say like 100 shares I want to enter, and the product code as MIS. So once you're done with that, copy the text content and go to the comment section and paste it over here simply. Right, so whenever the alerts are coming in, it will be calling automatically. Now you could see under this one important thing you need to learn over here. Here is a strategy.order.comment. Earlier it was just an buy was there, which I replaced with strategy.order.comment. What does this do is that it is called as a placeholder in TradingView. So this will be replaced whenever there is a buy signal, it will be replaced by B over here dynamically, and whenever there is a sell over there, this will be replaced by S. Whenever there is a sell signal or short signal is happening, automatically S will be done at the transaction type. So dynamically it changes based upon the signal condition. During the buy, it comes automatically, this value will be filled with B, and during sell signal automatically S will be filled over here. Now let me create this alert. So once I create the alert, I'll be automatically able to see the alert under the alert section. So from the alert box you can pull out over here, and now let me show you some of the live executions of Reliance charts. So Reliance, currently the buy signal is going on, and the supports are around 2233 levels. Break of that level, it could trigger signals on the close of the candle basis. Of course, the levels has been broken now. Anytime we can expect a signal. The signal has been triggered, so automatically you can see the alerts getting triggered over here. So immediately go back and check your AlgoMojo section. So where you can see that the sell signal got triggered, and yeah, so that you can go and check out the order book as well. So sell signal has been placed immediately. You can see that dynamically the super trend is able to send sell signals or sell orders using the webhook using the placeholders as we discussed earlier. And probably this webhook, right, it is more of an one-way communication where the webhook informs the Algo Mojo to send orders. And now we're going to look into the buy signal. So I guess the buy signal could happen if the 2233 levels, if it is likely to going to break on the upper side, very close to this 2233 levels. A close of the levels, price closes above 2233 levels, it could trigger a potential buy signal. At this point of time, the trading stop loss is around 2233 levels. So I also give you a description, in the description box I'll give you the access to the super trend code where you can download the code and you can start using this code as well. So almost the stops are very close to 2233 levels. Anytime and buy signal can happen. The trailing stop loss went a little bit down, price also inching up very closely, and I guess the price started crossing and close of the candle it will trigger a buy. So there's a buy order got triggered. You can see that the buy alert got triggered immediately. The alert also placed an order, which if you go to the order log section, you will be able to find out the alert section as well simultaneously. So that's a most important thing. So I'll be providing you this code. We can use this code to access the automated orders. Automatically you can send from Supertrend to Algo Mojo, and very soon we'll be seeing more and more important sessions on algorithmic trading front.